Okay, I swear I did not watch this. Okay? Okay. So, the third Thomas the Tank Engine memes is finally out. Let's watch it.
How fans see the characters.
Yeah.
How normies see the characters.
What?
You like candy? Because there's lots in my cab.
What the what? Yeah.
Waiter, your steak, sir. Very rare.
What? Oh.
Me, wow, that's rare.
Oh, I'm excited to see the rare steak. It must be really rare. Is it like a special steak that has a special color? Oh, Tommy Oliver!
Babe, it's 7 p.m. Time to take those tankers. Yes, honey. Thomas fan, this community is becoming so expansive on so many platforms. The community.
Wow.
Thomas Trackmaster Train Oliver new in box. 525 sold.
Oh no, I want it.
Me when the chocolate I bought is advertised as sharing size. The fat controller laughed. You are wrong. Reverend W. Audrey. Andrew Brennan. You who thought this was gonna be Madtel. Yet another young actor's life ruined by drugs and alcohol.
You want to know who was actually ruined by alcohol? It's not an actor. It's for those of you who don't know, Donald Trump's brother. So the 45th president, his brother died at the age of 42 from alcoholism.
Girls, men don't know what it's like to feel pain. Men.
What? Whoa. Yeah, correct. Girls just think that we don't know what it feels like to be pain. I mean, yeah, pregnancy and stuff they're probably talking about.
eBay sellers. The truth that Tommy Oliver isn't rare.
Yeah!
Sir Handel and Peter Sam barely bump into each other. Duke, the swirl never suit his grace.
Oh my god, whoa.
Thomas fan that never did anything. After 5 years of the working, I'm gonna cancel my big movie.
The Adventures of Thomas?
Everyone. Upgrade. Go back. I said go back.
Hey, no! It's a keyboard that's not functioning.
Showing my mom my Thomas edit.
Ew.
The fastest things on Earth. Cheetah. Aeroplane. Speed of light. Normies when they
Oh, yeah. Just like the CGI Boko thing.
think of Thomas's top speed. Edward when he hears Gordon got stuck up his hill again. Ah crap. Here we go again.
My god, he looks so hilarious with that.
Friend, come on. The movie is not that scary. The movie.
Duncan gets spooked!
Teacher, who would like to present next? The class.
Ah, I see.
I think I forgot something. If you forgot them, it wasn't important. Yeah, you're right.
Ugh.
No one. Not a single soul. White Gordon.
From T1E2H3!
Another actor ruined by drugs and alcohol.
Ghost Town.
8 bro, that's it. You've lost toad privileges. It is time to go. Was I not good enough? No. I'm told you were the best.
He was.
When someone watches your Thomas the Train memes.
Ooh, wow, look at Driver 3 Joe.
Thank you for watching. For more meme videos, send your memes to me through Twitter or email.
And that's it, guys. I don't want to scroll through the credits. But thank you. But thank you for watching. Bye.